Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited to share a spring capsule wardrobe featuring pieces from my go-to brand for sustainable, high quality items, and that is Quint. Thanks to Quint for partnering with me on this video today. Whether you're looking to refresh your closet or streamline your style for warmer months, this capsule will help you stay chic all season long. And you can get $30 off your first order from Quint if you create an account and sign up with your email. So if you're ready to simplify your wardrobe and start embracing effortless style, then keep watching. Just a quick reminder, everything I show in today's video will be linked down in the description box that's just below the video title. I'll also include my size details down there as well. I'll also copy all those links and paste them into a comment that I will pin to the top of the comment section. So you have two places to find all the links. Let's get started with look number one. I'm wearing the Mongolian cashmere ribbed tank in navy. This tank is baby soft and you don't even notice you're wearing it. These are the 100% European linen pants. They aren't a wide leg or a tapered leg, just a simple pull-on straight leg style. That is oh so versatile. If it's chilly, you can top this look off with a sweater. I love the 100% organic cotton cropped cardigan sweater from Quint. For warmer days, you could top it off with a linen shirt like this one. Either way, it creates that column of color down the middle that has a great slimming effect. So you may be asking, what is Quint? Well, Quint is a direct-to-consumer clothing brand. They focus on high-quality, sustainable fashion at an affordable price. They offer a wide range of items including clothing, accessories, home goods, all designed with simplicity, versatility, and long-lasting materials. So what does Quint stand for? Sustainability. Quint prioritizes sustainability, sourcing materials like cotton, cashmere, tencel, and recycled fibers. 2. Transparency. The company values clear communications with its customers, offering detailed product descriptions about sourcing and manufacturing processes. 3. Affordable luxury. Quint seeks to deliver luxury quality goods without the traditional high prices, making premium items accessible to a wider audience. And 4. Ethical manufacturing. Quint works with manufacturers who adhere to ethical labor practices, ensuring fair wages and safe working conditions for all their employees. So you can feel good about your purchases from Quint. And they offer an unmatched 365-day return policy. Yes, that is 1 year. Okay, and outfit 2. This is something that is really trending for 2025, and that is Bermuda shorts. I know a lot of you don't like showing your legs in the warmer months, but you still want to be cool. Bermuda shorts are a great option. These are 97% organic cotton and 3% elastane for that just right amount of stretch. And they have a 10.5-inch inseam coming to just above the knee. I've paired them with an organic cotton waffle knit sweater tank. I love a sweater tank for warmer months because it keeps you cool, but it's a little bit elevated from just your basic tank top. For cooler days, you can layer it up with this cropped cotton cardigan. This comes in 13 different colors, so you can choose the one that is right for you. Next, I have the same Bermuda shorts, this time in black. And I've added that cashmere tank from look 1. I think this is a classy shorts outfit. And if you don't want to show off your upper arms, you can always top it off with this linen shirt or the cropped cardigan again. Quint also has long sleeve linen shirts if you would rather have a long sleeve and roll it up. And here's a look at that linen shirt worn alone, just so you can see what it looks like buttoned up. I know some of you don't care for linen because of the wrinkle factor, but that's part of linen's charm, and that's how you know it's real linen. But if you're still not a fan, I highly recommend cotton gauze. It's just as cool as linen, and it's much more forgiving when it comes to wrinkles. Quint has a large selection of items in cotton gauze, and I'll be sure to link a few along with everything else I'm showing in this video. In this next look, I have this cotton and cashmere blend boat neck ribbed tank. It is so soft. Combined with the ivory shorts and cognac accessories, it gives a rich tonal look. All the knit tops I'm wearing in today's video are a size medium. The white linen shirt is a size small. Those navy linen pants are a size small. And the Bermuda shorts are in a size 6. My question for you ladies today is, what is your favorite thing about the warmer months? It can be anything. For me, I love being able to ditch the coats and jackets and be able to walk out the door without having to grab a coat or a jacket. And also, I like to be able to just slip into a pair of sandals. You know, I don't have to put on socks and tie shoes or whatever. I love the ease of just being able to slip into some shoes and walk out the door. That's a simple thing, but I do love that about warm weather. And will y'all do me a favor? If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. That way I'll know to create more content like this. I post 2 videos per week here on YouTube, one on Sunday and another one during the middle of the week. To be sure you don't miss out on any of my content, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I post something new here on YouTube. I know you all love dresses for the warmer months, and this easy linen dress will be perfect to dress up or down. And the easy breezy fit will be sure to keep you cool. Personally, I like sleeveless tops and dresses in the summer because number 1, it gets really hot where I live, and number 2, I don't like to get a farmer's tan on my arms from wearing short sleeves. And yes, I wear my sunscreen, but I still get color in the summer just from being outside, not necessarily sunbathing. But this dress also comes in a short sleeve version if you would prefer that style. I'm wearing this in a medium. The small fit me everywhere except across my bust, and it was just too tight. So if you have a small to average size bust, I would say get your regular size, but if you have a larger bust, I definitely would say to size up 1 in this dress. Now, if you want to tone up your arms so you can wear these sleeveless tops and dresses before summer, be sure to watch this video of mine next. Thanks again to Quint for sponsoring today's video, and until I see you in my next one, have a stylish day. Bye.